Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. If you're coming for the first time, I make lots of lifestyle videos, fashion videos and vlogs. So if this is something you like, I recommend that you hit that subscribe button. Today's video is a Q&A. I did ask people to ask me questions on social media and I did get a few questions. I also took up some questions from YouTube. That is my FAQs. Put them together and I'm here with a Q&A for you. So without further ado, let's get started. This is one that I get a lot. This one says, what camera do you use? I did film a camera setup and stuff, but the video is crappy. I'll film another one. At the moment I use a Canon 700D. To get this blurry background I use a 50mm lens. For my mic I use the Boya video mic. I got all of them from Lagos Island Market. This one says, how much internet do you buy? I see your comments everywhere on YouTube. I don't even know. I don't know how much internet I buy. I just buy internet and I watch videos, and if I see that there's something I have to say, I drop a comment. So I really don't know how much internet I buy. I can't say this is the amount of internet I buy. This question says, how do you afford to attend so many weddings, and how do you make money? I'm guessing you think I make money from the weddings I go to. No, I don't make money from the weddings I go to. The parties I go to are just out of love for family members, just because I care. So that is how I'm able to attend. That is why I attend so many parties. And it's not even that much. At least I go to, like, let's say a wedding per month or a party per month or two. Let's say one per month. So I don't spend that much money on parties. Yeah, I don't make money from the parties. How do I make money? I don't make money from parties. I just, I just like turn up like, oh yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. That's what I do. What do you use to edit your videos? I use Video Pad Editor. It is in between Premiere Pro and iMovie or Movie Maker, but sometimes I use Premiere Pro. That's if I am able to use Premiere Pro. The reason why I don't use Premiere Pro all the time, even though it's my favorite editor, my laptop cannot handle proper video editors, so I can still manage to use Video Pad, and that's what I just use to cut videos together. Nothing extraordinary. Where did you learn to do so much stuff? I'm guessing it's because of I think it is just my curiosity. I want to be able to do more than something. I want to be able to sew, I want to be able to make hair, I want to be able to just do so much more. So that's how I learned it. Most of them are just skills / habits I just picked up along the way. It's not like I actually went to school to learn how to make something. Are you single? You look pretty. You look too pretty to be single. Okay, this should be fun. You're either single or married, so I'm single because I'm not married. You think I look pretty? Thank you. You keep us guessing. Who is your boyfriend? Hey, my boyfriend is on my Instagram feed. That's the answer to your question. I feel like, okay, because people keep guessing, is it this, is it that, is it that? My boyfriend is on my Instagram feed. Go and look for him. You'll find it clearly written there. Like, I think I have like 2 pictures of him there. So I am in a relationship, if that is the question you're asking me. I know you, and I know your parents are in academia. Congratulations on your master's. You plan to do your PhD. Okay, if you don't know, I just wrapped up my master's degree. This person knows me. This person does know me well. Do I plan to do my PhD? That's the question everybody has been asking me since I completed my coursework and my defense, right? The answer to the question is I want to work first. I want to work, I want to make money, I want to build my career, I want to build my CV, that kind of thing. But in the near future, who knows? That is what I'm saying. Who knows? I just might. But for now, the plan now is to work and make money. Next question says, I love your auto Gele videos. Do you plan to do more auto Gele training videos? No. I am done with auto Gele. I do not plan to make any more auto Gele videos. It was fun while it lasted, got me a lot of views. I did enjoy making them auto Geles, but for now I think I want to move on to more lifestyle fashion content. Auto Gele, I think I have like 3 or 4 videos on that, so yeah, no more auto Gele training videos, sorry. Similar question says, do you make auto Gele for sale? Because I would really love to purchase from you. Auto Gele is a lot of work. Like, it's a lot of work to put together an auto gele. You guys have seen the tutorials, and the funny thing with the auto gele is I don't wear them. I have a video coming up on auto gele, so I'm going to share all of this in that video. I don't wear the auto gele. I just make the tutorials for you guys to learn how to make the auto gele if you want to rock. I only wore it once. I was to church. Do I make for sale? No, it's a lot of work. I'd rather spend that time editing videos or working on a crest paper or something. So no, I'm not making auto gele for sale anymore. I am a small YouTuber and I really admire you. Do you plan to collaborate with smaller YouTubers? Because this would be my dream. I'm also a small YouTuber. It's really funny. I am also a small YouTuber, but if you're a YouTuber out there, we need to collaborate, hit me up. Those that have asked me questions know I always respond to my DMs. If you have any questions, if you want to collaborate, wherever you are, distance is not a problem. This is social media. The world is a global village. Masha Makluan. So yes, I am willing to collaborate with you. Do you do YouTube full time? No. Doing YouTube full time is pretty hard. I have a video coming up again. I have many videos coming up. I have a video coming up on YouTube and blogging in Nigeria, but as of right now, I'm sweating. But as of right now, I don't do YouTube full time. I hustle here and there, which leads me to another question I saw somewhere. Let me go to that. Okay, this one says, what do you do for money? I follow you on Instagram and I can't quite place it. This is a question that whenever I'm asked, I don't know how to answer, because I do quite a lot of things. But you know, this month of April, if there's anything I want to do, I want to be able to narrow down my streams of income and say, this is what I do for money, this is how I make money. But for me right now, making money is all over the place. Today I can make money from YouTube, tomorrow I can make money from blogging. I can set up a blog for somebody. It might be photography work, it might be videography work, it might be bag, it might be sewing, it might be pillows, anything. Whatever my hand finds to do, I do for money. So yes, I don't have a particular, you know, I don't have an actual source of income. I just hustle, I grind. With me, every week is something new. Every week is another source of income. Next question. This question says, what did you study? If you want to know, I studied mass communication from the University of Lagos, Nigeria. MSc, BSc, mass com, Unilag. So yeah. So it says, I watched your Insta stories and I was expecting a vlog on how you painted your room. You still owe us that video. Okay. I don't know if I mentioned I painted this wall myself, and I sewed that curtain myself as well. And yeah, I don't have a video. There were times that I didn't vlog. I don't have a video, but I intend to later paint the room white as well. You see, boo. You see, it's boo. Oh, I felt like there should have been more. So thank you so much for watching. I hope I've been able to answer your question in this video. If I did, well, let me know. If I didn't, drop another question in the comment section and I'll try and answer it. If you don't know, I have a video on, I think, Get to Know Me. I think it's called the Get to Know Me tag. Go check that out. I believe it will help you know me a little bit better. I'm going to put videos that help you know me just a little bit better in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, or if you learned something new about me, hit that like button, subscribe down below for awesome content. I've got many videos coming out. I've been recording. This is 5 in the evening and I shouldn't be recording. I'm preparing dinner at the moment, which is funny. I really want to put this video out next week. I think I have like 3 videos planned for next week, so this will go back on Wednesday. I want to know in the comment section if you prefer that I upload once a week or twice a week. I used to do twice a week, took a break from YouTube, and now I'm back to once a week, but I want to go back to twice, or if possible 3 times a week, because I have more time on my hands now as I'm done with my MSc program. Do not forget to follow me on social media. I am at Damiesdiary across all platforms. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube and drop me a comment. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, you learned something new about me, and I'll catch up with you guys in my next video. So 2 questions I'm asking you. Number 1, would you prefer I upload once a week or twice a week? And secondly, what is one content you would like to see more from me? Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. It's good to be back. Bye guys.